In this video, I will show you how to fix SSL pending error in Shopify. Start off by opening your Shopify account. The first thing you have to do is to verify the status of your SSL certificate for your Shopify account. For that, go to the settings from the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, scroll down and you will see the option Domains. Click on it. Here you will find the option to buy domain directly from Shopify or to connect your already existing domain from any other site. If you had bought domain from Shopify, verify that there's no pending stuff that is causing error. Or just in case, if you had connected the domain from another provider, go and check with them to ensure that there's no issue on their end. After verifying your domain, update DNS records to authenticate your domain. If the SSL pending error persists, reach out to Shopify's support team. For that, go to the Shopify's dashboard. Click on the store name from the top right corner. Click on the option Help Center. Then in the search bar, search SSL Trouble. And it will show relevant articles like Transport Layer Security, enabling secure connections to your Shopify, buying a domain through Shopify, etc. Then on the right side, you will see the Help Center. You can ask it to help you regarding the issue. It will give you suggestions to make a secure connection and set up your domain properly. You have to follow these guidelines if you haven't done them already. However, there is another approach that is to redirect all the HTTP traffic from the domain section. For that, navigate to the domain section. Click on Connect Existing Domain and enter your domain here. Click on Next. You can also view instructions regarding it. After that, you have to click on Verify Connection. Here, cross-check that all the information is correct, including the A record and C name, etc. Also, one more thing you have to verify is that your SSL certificate has not expired. If it is so, make sure to renew it.